Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Temu account. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, go to your Temu app, then tap on the U icon at the bottom. After that, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Then here, you just have to tap on account security. Then on this page, just tap on delete your Temu account at the bottom. Then just click on I want to permanently delete my Temu account. You can read this reminder here. This basically informs you the things that you're gonna lose once you delete your account. Then if you're really sure that you want to delete your account, just tap on continue. And that's pretty much it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.